Hello guys. Hi. Good evening to all. First of all, just want to confirm I'm audible to everyone.
Yes,
Okay. Make sure like your voice, your mic is not open. Like a lot of people are speaking and background noise is coming from your side. Okay. So make sure because this is recorded. Just to confirm. Just a minute. Yeah, this is recorded, and of course we would provide a recording to you as well. No issue. Okay. I know many of you. The reason you joined to get the expectations right from what are the expectations since we are taking the PGDB interview since 2 year. This is our third year we are taking this one. So we just want to understand the expectations of the professor in PGDB interview and how to follow the content given. Okay. Uh, Before I proceed, this I just want to make sure that this session is just an introductory session. Okay, we are not at all going to discuss about the details of statistics, analytics, or probability, or some deeper questions of probability, or some tough puzzles, or some mathematics question. No, we are just going to have the introductory aspect of the interview and what are their expectation from us. Okay, and at the end, it is a 20-minute interview. How they touch base over each and every part of our interview, how they like try to guess in 20 minutes that are we like a suitable person for a PGDB or not, and how much marks they give on that basis. Of course, there's a disparity of mark given, but okay, we'll discuss. So before we discuss, it would be interactive session between both of us. So I would need input from both of you. Okay. First of all, I believe if you are a PGDB aspirant, you want to make, you must be knowing. I should not tell this thing, but uh, just so everybody know PGDBA, right? It is by IIT Kharagpur, IIM Calcutta, and ISI Kolkata, right? It is, there's a fad in India of IIT and IIM. Everybody knows about it, right? IIT and IIM. Everybody wants a tag of IIT and IIM, right? And it's not that easy. I'm not saying we can make it in first attempt. That's okay. That's good. But it's not that easy to make it first attempt. So whenever you're preparing for any goal, we must consider that of course it may be achievable this year. It may not be achievable this year. First you should be very clear. It may be or may not be. Okay. If not this time, I would give next year also. You must be. I just recently watched on LinkedIn, like one of the person was digging at this place, then he was digging at another place, then he was digging at third place, and there was one person who was digging at one place only. Okay, so the person who gets the diamond is a person who digs at one place. So the point which I'm trying to raise here, the IIT and IIM goal is not that easy. Okay, so you have to be very very clear that it will take some time. It will not that easy. Okay, it so if you are preparing with that aspect, the reason why I give this example, because that pressure of interview won't come on you. Okay, if not this year, next year. That pressure, that nervousness in the interview makes you forget everything, all the content. Okay, okay. Now, now when we give the interview, there are three professors. So I will draw here the Professor P1, Professor P2, Professor P3. Now, if you want to understand their expectation from you, okay, you must understand their background also. One is from IIT KGP, one is from ISI, and one is from IIM Calcutta. Okay. Now, three of the people has come here, and they have the pool of the aspirant around 425 to 475. Okay. From that, they have to select 60. Now, whenever now you are in this session from beginning to end, okay, you should not think you are aspirant. You think from the professor perspective, you are a professor, and you have been given a task of selecting the 425 out of this pool of students, a 60 student, a 60 perfect student. Okay, that is your task. Of course, you have to eliminate some people, you have to keep inside some people. Now, first of all, you should know what are the expectations. That's why I will take you to the website first. Okay, if you go to the website, the expectations from them is very, very clear. Okay, see, uh, here, if you go here, they're mentioning, okay, just a minute. PGDB is a 2-year full-time diploma program aimed at creating a business analytic professional employable by leading Indian and foreign firms. This program is designed for those who have an analytical mindset. I just want to underline this word, analytical mindset. Just okay. Mm, Give me a moment. Yeah. So I'm highlighting here analytical mindset and are interested in tackling the challenging business problem. For this is English inclination toward mathematics. Now, if you see, these are the requirement. They are expecting the candidate to have the analytical mindset. They want the person to take challenges of the businesses, solve the businesses, and the CEO and the big higher management should take a decision on the reports given by you, and you should have the inclination toward mathematics. Now, the after this part, okay, if you see this next part till this point, some of the silent feature, the last point. This gives you why PGDB, the answer. Why PGDB? Some of the silent feature of the program includes course taught by the reputed faculty members at the campuses of the 3 globally renowned institute, hands-on business analytics training at a related company, continuous interaction with industry leaders throughout the course of the diploma program, and availability of the placement opportunity at all 3 institutes jointly offering this program. So this 4 points gives you YPGDBA, and first 3 points, analytical mindset, business problem, and inclination toward mathematics. So their checksum is that they are going to check this thing. They would check also, do you have this YPGDBA in your answers or not? Okay. Further part, okay, we'll just set up this thing. Okay, further, if you go, you just scroll down. So why would I learn at ISI, IIT Kharagpur, and I'm Kolkata? Now, I would like some of you to read. Somebody can help me here to read this. Why would I learn? Anyone, please volunteer. Hello, hello, Isha. Can you read this, Isha?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Participants will visit. I mean, this exactly right. Why? What would I learn at ISI, IIT Kharagpur, and I'm Calcutta?
Correct.
Okay. So participants will visit the 3 organizing institutions, ISI, IIT, and IIM, spending about 6 months at each institute. Each of the 3 institutes will focus on a separate area of business analytics in accordance with its expertise and competence. While coursework at ISI will focus on statistical and machine learning theories for analytics, faculty at IIT will engage with the technology aspects of analytics, and IIM will bring to the table its expertise on the applications of analytics in functional areas of management.
Thank you. Thanks, Vishnu. Yeah. So in some of the interviews, they asked, "Are you aware of this program?" And many of the aspirant they found like they are fumbling while answering those questions. If you fumble these basic questions like what is a PGDBA, what kind of student they want, what benefits I would gain out of PGDBA, and which institute is doing what. If you are not aware, you are sure shot not selected. Okay, you are sure shot not selected. They will understand you are not interested in program. You are just trying one of the options in your life. That's it. You have to tell them, okay, this time if I don't convert, okay, I will try next time, no issues. Okay, okay. If you have another options, you can tell it them, but you have to at least tell them, yes, I wanted to understand the analytics in my life. That's it. No, many of the students we found they were not aware of the program calendars. Like they don't know. Sometimes professors try to check the basics. They don't go much deeper. Some students says first semester started IIT Kharagpur. How is the program going? You must know. First start with IIM Calcutta, then there's a pre-semester module, then it is again at IIM Calcutta only, then semester one start at ISI, now semester two is going at IIT Kharagpur, then there's semester three at IIM Calcutta, and then there's an industry internship. That is the program. Okay. Even students don't know about this basics. Okay. This is one of the like ridiculous thing. Uh course list. Where is that? In Tom Keller. Just give me a moment. Yeah, course list. uh, at least while going through this, you will understand another thing of the professors. Like here, you will get a lot of questions of the interview, and you will see these questions are reflecting in your interview itself. Okay, I'm just trying this one. Okay, so in semester model, you will learn this at IIM Calcutta, this financial reporting. So there's a financial reporting. That is why there are a lot of questions are asked on the RBI, banking sectors, monetary policy. Okay, inflation. Okay, if the RBI repo rate is something changed, they will ask those questions. Okay, so these are the okay, then we'll go for the subject marketing. If somebody is in marketing, they would ask not management but application of the analytics in marketing and all those things. Okay, let's move further. Stochastic process, this is again technical of the term. There were differences of the statistics. You will once you the stats classes start, you will understand what is stochastic and all those things. But this word you will heard from the professor. Okay, most of the time when the student do PGDB preparation, they are not aware of many words. So in an interview, it should not happen. When they are speaking technicalities, you must understand what they are trying to say. Okay. Then statistical structure and data. Okay. Then inference, computing of data science, fundamental of database system. The reason, if somebody, if in your resume, if there is SQL, okay, you must know about the queries, you must know the joins, you must know that this basic things. Okay, they would give you some questions, they will give some table of database, and they would ask you to do certain activity, and they would ask you to write a query also. So if your profile is having certain aspect of any of the aspect of their teaching, okay, just what I'm trying to say, he here the students like the professor, they are touch with the subject, right? And they can give you the good questions on that. They are because they are daily teaching those subject. That is the reason they can ask you the deeper question of particular aspect if your profile has it. Okay, they won't ask you the stochastic process and all those things if you don't have the background of the analytics or statistics. Okay, if you have the background of regression, even you don't have the background, regression would be asked to you. What is regression? Okay, what is time series? Can be asked to you because they are teaching in that professor, they're teaching in their institute. They can ask basic questions, they are not asking a deeper question. What is you might have learned this series of in your M3 in your engineering. Some of the student I witness, it may come to you on your plate, it may not come to your plate, but it can come. M3 mathematics series, 4-year series and all, Laplace transform is asked to some of the student. Okay, now I'm just trying to discuss the different profile, and different profile may have the different questions. Okay, I'm not saying it will come to you because in 20 minutes there are limitation to the question they can ask to you. See, foundation of algorithm design and you learn machine learning. That is why you will find in the if you read a PYQ or PGDB.ml website, in that you will find the questions on random forest algorithm. If somebody has a computer science background, they expect to know at least what is algorithm, definition of algorithm they ask, what definition of data structure they ask. Okay, They ask what is the definition of machine learning. They ask you to draw the diagram of machine learning, deep learning, AI, and data structure. What is the relation between them? Okay, they expect you to know basics. Now, operations management depends. If you have some operation background, they can throw a business questions on that. Okay, possibility, not sure. Depend again on profile. Data analysis. Yeah, if somebody has okay analysis, you will see the question what is different between analysis and analytics. Okay, what is data analysis, what is then different types of the data analysis, prescriptive, and there are four types. Okay, so they can ask you this basic question, they won't expect much detail. Okay, yeah. Then data mining, some of you are might be from analytics background, you might be doing data mining also. Okay, so they can ask you about the data mining, how it is done and what is the process of doing it. Okay, they are I'm just telling you, PGDB is a completely technical interview. It's not like a normal IIM interview or some like they will just check your personality. No. Industry internship, elaborate data analytics, complex algorithm we discuss, decision models, okay, venture, banking sector. They are at least I don't know, but still their favorite is again RBI. They ask what are types of banks we have, how the RBI control this, all those things. Then the banking sector, they ask about a lot of questions about the banks, how many banks we have, public sector, private sector, and they go different aspect of the banking also. Okay. Some of you might be having marketing or sorry, marketing or manufacturing. They asked a question about how manufacturing. Now here you see a lot of analysis is used. So the question is asked on to every candidate, and you are expected to answer the questions in a correct form. That is also one of the important questions of your interview. Like use of analytics. Suppose somebody is in the manufacturing, he would ask use of analytics in manufacturing, use of analytics in the law, analytics in commerce, analytics in manufacturing, analytics in the supply chain, analytics in the pharmaceutical. Okay, analytics in the like suppose in communication also. All aspect of the analytics, whatever background you are related to, it the question can come to you. Okay, how this analytics would be helpful to you because you are heading to the profile of business analytics. You are related to one business, and in that business, that analytics is used to drive the decision of a company. Okay, so they are expected to know basic things about it. Okay, there are a lot of things. Okay, base theorem and probability. Okay, that will. So at least you got a basics like what their expectations is. Now again, I'm coming to the point. Think you are the professor, and you have suppose IIT KG professor. He's a very good in engineering and computer science. ISI good in statistics, probability, and mathematics. IIM Calcutta would mostly ask you current affair, general awareness, your opinion, what is going in the world, and how do you tackle this business, how the decisions was correct, what are the CEOs of the company, and all. Okay. Now these three professors they try to judge you. Okay. Now ultimately they are not there to check your communication and or other skills. They are just checking your technical skill. Are you technically aware of your profile? Okay, I would take some of the profile here and would evaluate what are the kind of question can come. And let me tell you, interview is all about self awareness. If you do not know certain aspect of yourself or anything, then you won't be selected. Very clear, you won't be selected if you are not aware of certain thing which you must know. Okay, we are going to discuss three types of questions. Okay, so if you don't know, you are not going to be selected. So we will discuss what are the questions you must know and what are questions you must not know. Okay, now so we have to understand the professor mindset, like what are their expectation from you. Okay, being a analytics professional we wanted to have in future, they expect you to know the PNC, permutation combination, probability, basic statistics, mean, median, mode, distribution, skew distribution, and all those things. Okay. Now, I just want to do, yeah, strategy preparation. This is a small point. This is not big. Just I'm just trying to say you keep a balance of everything. And I would come to this point at the last also. What is the balance I'm talking about? What happened, in preparation we go, some students are reading current affair. Okay, he read current affair for 5 days. If somebody is reading statistics, he is going for statistics 5 days, 10 days. If somebody is studying mathematics, he go 10 days, 20 days. Somebody's reading about engineering, he doesn't make a balance of preparation. Okay, that balance has to find it out, and that is to be maintained at all level. Okay, before I go to this type of question, okay, I would also take some profiles here to discuss with you. Uh, that professor, the three professor who are there. Just imagine this one profile I'm taking. Mm, the student is from Maharashtra. Okay, he is from electrical engineering. Okay, then he is a IT professional. Okay, into coding. He has a no statistics background, and he has a no analytics background also. His a hobby, anything what we can take. Hobby, I take a hobby as a dancing. Okay, hobby is a dancing. Now, and his domain in the IT is the
The
let's take a supply chain. He is into supply chain. Okay. Now think from the perspective of the professor. There are three professor, and they want to evaluate this person who is having this profile, and they want to check whether the candidate is suitable for the uh, PGDB or not. Now, uh, the first professor I am Calcutta asked him, do you know when the Maharashtra got created or when it was formed, and what is the history behind it? So that is the first question asked to him. Then he asked, like, who is the chief minister of Maharashtra? He did not answer two of the questions. Now I want to understand from all of you. Uh, First question was about the when the Maharashtra was formed and how it was formed. The second question was who is the chief minister of Maharashtra. Both questions he was not able to answer. Now tell me, the questions will come in which category? Is a good. He must know the answer. What is the expectation? He should have known the first question, or good to know, or they know. Yeah, you should not know. Even it's okay. You don't know it. So how do you categorize first question and second question? Yes.
to know.
Which question? First question goes to hello. Good to know or must know or first, second, or third category. Just fast. I can't see the
Sir
answers in the
must know.
good to know.
First question is it's good to know if you are knowing first question,
First question,
and
if somebody
second
is saying
question you must know.
you must know. Okay. So see,
Second question.
now the interview started. Of course, interview start with the intro and why and all those things. I would come to why and those all part later. Okay, not at the beginning. I just want to understand you. The three professor they are there to come you. They had given you 1 month time of preparation, and you do not know the chief minister of Maharashtra. The similar thing has happened. Okay, with a like one student was asked who is the vice president of India. He was not knowing. So what I'm trying to say just not think from your perspective, think from their perspective, right? They have the 475 participant. From them they want to select the 60 student. Now there are certain questions you must know and they expect you to know. If you do not know, they will be shocked at moment, and they would be see, Arey, he don't know this basic question, and they would not give you good marks, right? Suppose they're asking me the simple integration question, integration of mod of x into x dx. Okay, they're asking me to solve this integration. If I don't solve this question, okay, if I'm not able to solve this question, what is category would be first, second, or third, according to you? Till discussion, what has happened? No answer.
First,
Integ yeah, must know or good to know or they don't know is okay.
must know. It should be in the must know category.
Yeah, how you are able to judge is must category because we know what is the what kind of student they want. They want a student having mathematical mindset. You are not able to solve the simple question of integration. In an interview they of course in interview they are going to ask you the favorite mathematics topic. In interview they are going to ask you the some mathematics question. In interview they are going to give you some question to solve. They may ask you to pay pen and paper to solve the question. They may ask you to go on the board, go on board and solve the question and write down the steps in detail and explain us. So what they are trying to do, they are trying to check your mindset, how it is. Okay. So just a moment. So the point which I'm trying to say, you can also do this activity, right? What I'm activity doing currently. You know your profile. You know what are the must question. You know what are the good to know question. And okay, certain questions. Third question we'll discuss in detail how it is. Okay. Now I'm into the coding. Okay. I know the coding. So what is the best coding? Like basic question of coding they ask. You know, they ask me the see. You are from coding background, so you must be knowing. You know what is palindrome? They don't ask you other question. They will ask what is palindrome, palindrome number, and palindrome, like even words also they ask, palindrome number they ask. Then do you know how the coding is done? Okay, I don't remember coding. Then they ask me to like logically, how logically you can check the number is palindrome or not, right? So at least tell me the logic of it. What they're expecting from the logic. They don't want the coding from me. They want me to have the logic of it, right? At least the logic. What is the logic behind it? Okay. Though I'm from okay. Next question. Now I said I'm from not stats background. They asked me what is the mean. They asked me what is mean. Sorry. They asked me what is a mean, median, and mode. Now, what is this question? Mean, median, and mode. Is it a must know or good to know, or they expect what is this question? They also asked me about a skew
Must be.
distribution. Skew distribution. And they asked me what are the types of distribution, skew distribution, and give me the example of the distribution. I don't have any stats background. Still, these all questions would come to the must know category because mean, median, mode is a very basics of the statistics. Skew distribution depends on the value of mean, median, and mode. Okay, whether it is skewed positively, negatively, or and what are the practical examples of that. Now they asked me favorite topic. Okay, in my interview, and what happened? I said my quadratic equation is my favorite topic. Okay, they asked me the what is your favorite topic, and okay, you are not giving answer, so at least tell me your favorite topic. What you have prepared from interview? Then I said, okay, I have prepared a quadratic equation. Then they asked me the question, what is the use of quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation and what is the use of quadratic equation? And this question, what is a quadratic equation? I thought they will give me some question, but no. They asked me what is quadratic equation, what is the use of quadratic equation? So this is a basic use of mathematics. The interview is theoretical, of course. Integration we have solved, but that's why if you see on content, this is added. Oh, sorry, just will take a complete interview program. Use of mathematics. If you do not know the use of mathematics, then you are good. You're like you're useless for them. You don't know where the integration is used. You don't know where mathematics is used. Okay, that is why mathematics. What is the practical use? Okay, so the question was what is the practical use of quadratic equation? So they asked me the definition of quadratic equation. It was here. Okay, they asked me where is used, in which industry, and how it is used. I must know it. Okay, so they expect you to have the practical use of mathematics. Okay, we are doing since like 11, 12, we are doing integration, we are doing probability, we're doing statistics, but we don't know where it is used and industry how you would use, right? So they expect us to know this all those things at least. So this comes under the must know. You must know the use of mathematics, significance of the discriminant, significance of calculus. They expect you to know, right? Now, uh, okay. So you know what comes under must know and good to know, and they know what you don't know. Must know means suppose they are asking me the question like, uh, you know what are the electoral board bonds going on? They will ask electoral bond. I must know this thing. Okay. Suppose they ask me certain thing, for example, a very deeper question into the statistics. They give me some data. Okay, and the data was 1, 2, like 5, and they asked me to do certain analysis and bivariate analysis. Okay, that was good to know. If I know the bivariate analysis and univariate analysis, that is good to know. Okay, if I don't know, that's okay. I'm honest. And certain questions they would throw, and it would have like they would ask me some very deep questions about algorithm, and uh, even I don't have any background or certain thing. They are asking me about Python and all those things. So they know that you don't know the answer. But the reason they ask this question, they know that you are not aware of the answer. They just want to check the honesty. Some questions they are like you can bluff. Okay, some questions you can bluff, easily bluff. They just want to check you, are you bluffing in the interview? Okay, if certain question are asked to you and you are bluffing in the interview, 100% you are not selected. You will get marks, even they give 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks, or 20 marks, and you will close the interview if you have found a bluffing. Okay, because they want a serious, sincere, as per like a student who will drive the company business. Okay, who would drive the company business. That is their expectations. Now I would like to take one of the profile here. uh, okay, can somebody tell me his profile at least? I won't ask you any question to you on any here. Okay, I just want to profile, and I would frame the question. I won't ask you any question. I just want the profile to be known in any of you. If you would like
Hello.
to tell me. Yeah.
Yes. Sir, my name is Abhijit.
Just a
I'm
moment.
currently in fourth year. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
hello.
My name is Abhijit, and
Yeah.
I'm
Sir,
currently studying computer
mechanical
science.
background and manufacturing.
No, one
Hello.
person. Sorry, Abhijit is first. Okay, let's take his first. Okay. Yeah. You are from.
Yeah. I'm
You're,
currently in fourth year. I'm
hmm?
studying at IIT Kottayam.
No,
I'm doing
branch
my bachelor's
mechanical,
in
right?
computer science. No, computer science.
Okay, your branch is computer science. You're from which
Yes.
state?
I am from Lucknow, but I'm studying in Kerala.
No, your current I mean to say your home state, like where you stay.
It's Uttar Pradesh.
UP, UP you stay, and where your hometown is?
It's in Lucknow.
It's in Lucknow. Okay,
Yes.
and it's in Lucknow, and you're where you're learning right now?
This is in Kerala, in
Kerala.
Kottayam, a city called
Okay,
Kottayam. Yes.
okay. You are studying computer science, and you are a fresher.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You don't have any work ex.
No.
Okay,
I
no
have
work
done
ex.
some internship, but no purpose.
What is the internship about? Tell.
I have done in Geo platforms as a data engineer for 3 months.
Geo platform.
Yes.
And what was in your internship in that?
As a data engineer.
Data engineer. Okay. Now for this profile, then again the UP comes. Okay. So they would start with the introduction and why PGDBA. They may start, they may not start. Okay. Then for UP, the first question would come. Uh, First of all, when Uttar Pradesh got established, okay, who is the current governor of the UP? Okay, who is the chief minister of UP, and what is he? Then the question would go to opinion based question, because the chief minister of UP, the Yogi Adityanath, is in the news a lot. Is he driving the Hinduism? That would be the first question. Then it would be opinion based question to you. Okay, then they would check, and always while giving such questions, or just giving those type of question, be diplomatic. Be diplomatic. Never take extreme position. No Hinduism and all. No, no, no. Just be the okay. And what's your hobby? I forgot one thing.
I play badminton and I do competitive programming.
Okay. So which badminton? Okay, I won't ask you any question. Sorry, I just promised. Okay. So they would ask the question about badminton. Okay. Then they would ask like, who is the player? Suppose, what is the badminton court size? First question they would ask. What is the badminton court size dimension? They would ask. Okay. Uh, all technical questions. They would ask all technical questions to check your hobby is correct or not. Are you how much you are into this hobby? They won't ask you what recent award is badminton, whatever got. Last time I took a dancing example, recent awards in dancing. Okay, they would take those exact questions. Kerala, okay. Then suppose in Kerala something is in news, or some a mandir issue was there, so they would take that issue and they would try to dig on those questions. Okay. Uh, then you are a fresher, okay. You are from computer science background. They will ask you the what is a merge sort algorithm, okay. And they would sometimes they also give the algorithm. They ask you to write down everything in detail. Sometimes, okay, there's a possibility. You are in geo platform, then they would go into the geo business detail, and they would ask a lot of the lot of details thing. For example, uh, like say Ambani, okay, then they would go to Ambani model. From Ambani, they would go to the different like decisions taken by the Mukesh Ambani. Why the brother, another brother, like I don't remember his name, uh, Anil Ambani, right? Anil Ambani. Why he became bankrupt? What are the reasons? What do you think? So the interview can go in any direction. Okay. So that is how you should write your profile on paper. You must know what is a must know, good to know. Okay. Data engineer. Then there are a lot of question on data. You can't imagine where they will dig you and where they will throw you in interview. Okay. So they would ask deeper questions. They will give a lot of data sets and they would ask me